Hey guys, it's Domino, and as I promised, I was going to do the Zenner test for you. For use of those who don't know what a Zenner test is, it's basically the test to see if you are clairvoyant. Using a series of 5 different shapes. Now, what you're going to need to take this test is a piece of paper and a pen or pencil or something to write with. To take the short rendition of this test, you are going to write 25, 1 to 25 on your paper. To take the full version of this test, you're going to write 1 through 100. If you don't have the time for the full version, go ahead and do the 25. It'll give you the gist of it. But just remember that the more accurate version will be the full one, which is 100. For this test, you're going to need to remember 5 shapes. Plus or cross, square, triangle, star, and circle. If you want to jot these down at the top of your page, go ahead and pause right now and just jot these down at the top of your page so you remember. Circle, star, triangle, and square. Oh, sorry. And plus or cross, whichever way you want to call it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is shuffle the cards, and at the end of 25, I will tell you that that's 25 and that's the end of the short test. And then we'll go ahead and continue to the 100, which is the longer test. If you perchance you would normally score 1 out of 5. So 1 out of 5 cards you're always going to guess right. Each test should be given 4 trials, so that's going to be the 100, resulting in a chance that 20 cards out of 100 handled will be correct, and that will be just chance. That does not mean you're psychic or clairvoyant. That just means statistically, you would get 20 cards out of 100 correctly. Alright? So, with that being said, the results I am going to tell you for the short test after the short test, and the results for the long test, I will tell you what is after the long test. So feel free to pause this video because I'm going to go through these cards fast, and I'll give you a 4-second pause in between each one so that you can pause the video, make your guess, and go ahead and jot your answer down. The key to this test is to take your time. And I'm going to be sending you telepathically also what I see on these cards. Alright, so get ready for number 1. And I'll leave this card in front of the card so just in case you didn't jot it down, you can see the shapes. Okay, so get ready for card number 1. Cross. Card number 2, pause. Square. Don't forget to take your time when pausing this video. Card number 3. Square. Card number 4. Triangle. There is going to be, I know there's 25 cards here that we're doing for the short test, and I'm just letting you know there are 5 of each symbol. That does not mean try to count them. Next card. Star. Next card. This is 6. Cross. Cross. Star. Triangle. Circle. Square. Circle. Star. Are you getting any right? Triangle. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Sorry. Plus or cross. Circle. Star. Square. Star. Circle. And this is the last card for the short test. Plus. Did you get any right? If so, leave it in the comment section below. I would like to know how many you got out of the short test correctly. Alright, are you guys ready for your... Ooh, my back. Okay, let's see. So, if you got 1 through 5 right, like I said, that was per chance. You should have gotten 5 correctly out of the set of 20. So sorry to say, guys, you don't have the gift. But that doesn't mean you can't practice and hone in on your gifts. Okay. If you got 6 to 10 right, that's a little bit higher than chance. So my clue was you're probably rushing and you should trust your instincts a little more. That gut feeling, that first time that you get the that first feeling of this is it, don't change it. Go with that gut feeling. Listen to your gut. If you got 11 through 15, you're well on your way of being a full-fledged psychic. That means you did trust your instinct and you got a little better, but maybe with some more practice, a little more time on each card, you can get more right. 16 to 20, that's absolutely incredible. I average about 18 to 19. So that's incredible. You're really close into getting it perfect. I know sometimes we get a little antsy and we just want to skip through things. 20 to 25, what can I say? Either you're cheating God or you're perfect. Or you had perfect and you are psychic. Now, if you did get 20 through 25, I would definitely recommend stay tuned for the rest of the video, and let's go through these next 3 series of cards. We're going to start now, and I'm going to go through these a little faster for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead, pick them up. Please pause the video and then put them down. Square. Circle. Triangle. Plus. Star. Star. Plus. You call them plus, I call them crosses. My shirt is unbuttoning. Hold on, guys, sorry. I felt trapped. Okay. Next one. Square. Ignore the pink fingers. Still have hair dye in my hands. Since this is semi-permanent, it gets everywhere. Circle. Star. Triangle. Triangle. Circle. Circle. Plus. Triangle. Star. Square. Square. Plus. Square. Triangle. Star. Alright guys, that is round 2. Now we just gotta do this 2 more times. Yay! I hope you guys are excited, and I hope that you're getting a couple right there. Obviously, you got enough right that you wanted to continue the test. And again, like I said, just make sure you're taking your time. Don't rush. If this is your first time, that's okay. And I'm sure you're not going to memorize this video. So if you didn't get that many right the first time, just go ahead and try a different day. When you're more relaxed, meditate a little bit before you have to start. Relax yourself. Take a couple deep breaths. All right. So you guys ready for the next ones? 2 more times. Woo! Here we go. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Circle. Circle.